My skin is shining, I mean glowing, but this is actually natural facial oil. So Harshita. Hi kids, welcome back to the channel. So basically I just decided to have a rest but also a productive and a self-care day today. I just want to start normalizing my life, and so I just want today to be the day of the start of me getting just back to being normal.
What's the haircare?
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches. Shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul.
रेड दीजिए एक छोटा
कितना है?
और रुकिए सोचने दीजिए.
6.5 hours later.
चीज है क्या? तो 4 दे दीजिए.
15, 60 और ये 10 और क्या?
बस
15 रुपये.
थैंक
तो
यू.
दूध दे दो कुलदीप, अंडा दे दो 6 और बोलिए कुछ और को बस ये टमाटर.
Step up, messed up. While I've been and done when I tense up. They patience were now playing dress up.
Bread, cheese and kurkure. Kurkure was optional, but yeah, did with the breakfast grocery. And this is my trick actually. I wear a t-shirt over a t-shirt. Let's talk about steaming a little bit. Steaming is very beneficial for your scalp, especially after applying oil. But I like steaming my scalp a little bit before applying oil so that the cuticles open and they absorb lots and lots of oil and its goodness. After that, I apply warm hair oil onto my hair and give my scalp a much needed massage. And then again, I steam my scalp because my scalp clearly loves it. Steaming helps in a bunch of things, which includes promoting hair growth, improving scalp health, lift the hair cuticles, enhances moisture retention onto the scalp, and reduces dandruff. So yeah, steaming helps me a lot, and you might as well give it a try. Hi. Now it's kind of very late hours of the day, and I accidentally slept. Before sleeping, I washed my hair, as you can see, and air dried it. So basically my agenda was to do a little bit skincare because I think it has been months since I have done something for my skin. So yeah, today is the day. Shall we? So the first thing that I will do is to cleanse my face. So apparently nowadays I have started using oil as my cleanser. Not every day though, once a week.
Yeah.
Oil cleansing is yet another new way of cleansing your skin. It helps in removing all the dirt from the skin, simultaneously providing the goodness of oil into your skin. It can also help in protecting the natural lipid layer of the skin and the good bacteria that live in there. There are different types of oils based on different types of skin types. So yeah, definitely do your research on that according to your skin type. Can you please stand? For God's sake, please. Thank you. So the next step is going to be steaming my face. I don't know whether you can hear me or not, but I'm in the bathroom and it's quite echoing and all my family is sleeping, so I need to talk slow. What is wrong with me? I'm just never taking a nap ever again. I'm all red. So you guys might think that what's wrong with this girl? You can just use a humidifier, steamer to steam your face. And yeah, I can actually do that. I can take a steamer and just put my face around it, but I feel that this type of steaming helps or does the purpose more efficiently than a steamer would do. So I go for this. If you want, you can definitely go for the steamer. What's wrong with the kids today? Again, I'm just going to make a simple paste of multani mitti with some rose water. Hang on, let me show you. I applied a very generous layer of it, so I'll just let it sit for around, I think, 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll wipe it out.
Eventually.
Welcome back. I just want to wipe this off.
I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I read time like thousands of times. This thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really slide. Tired of this shit, yeah. Finna flood my wrist, raining all these hits, but I wonder what I miss.
All time dog hater. All time dog hater. वो तेरे ही पीछे आ रहा है. Hi हर्षिता. Hi करो hi. Good. तो डोसा वालों को बोलो ना, आप अपने डोसा का सामान हटाइए, गोलगप्पा का सामान लगाइए. Hi Harshita.
These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of